been quite a big gap between coming off and going back on, because a lot of crew have got terrible diarrhoea. So I think a lot of fans might think that's it, but it's not. We are coming back on. It's just because everyone's got the shits. Cheers.
What's your favourite season, Al?
There's only 4.
Autumn.
Nice.
If it's Zest, dich nicht, denn dein Stuhl ist weg.
This is perfect. Perfect.
Cool. Sing that at all? Okay. I might sing that.
You might.
Zest, dich nicht, denn dein Stuhl ist weg.
Okay.
Go into business with a crazy plan. Zest, dich nicht, denn dein Stuhl ist weg. It's much less picturesque without a catching the light. The horizon tries, but it just isn't.
To all those fellas out there that were just too cool to wave their arms in the Pretty Visitors chorus, this one's for your girlfriend. Ladies!
Today's gig then, have you thought much about it? Does it make you nervous doing some
I'm shitting myself actually, yeah, to be quite honest.
And I'm seeing with girls of the night. Boom.
Stupid, slow, dirty PC.
So the joke goes, what do the dancers mean? What do the dancers mean? That's a joke in itself. What do the dancers mean when they say 5, 6, 7, 8?
Alex, turn up.
Ilamos elegant.
Has been a while.
That's totally live. That's forward for you.
That
Brilliant.
fantastic.
Brilliant.
What a shot.
Like a fading
tree?
That sound means it's the end of the round. Time for the bonus question.
Do you have any rituals before you go on stage?
Untie and then retie my shoelaces.
Really?
I think that's more a mental health issue than a superstition.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Do all in one.
Ooh, okay. Wow, let me put that down. Wow. So Matt, I'm just curious, your day.
Fluorescent Adolescence, probably definitely the most like sort of pop moment on the album. And like we wanted that really, but we wanted to do it to such an extent that it was kind of a bit sinister. It was like that sort of nice and smiley that it were a bit sinister, like perhaps like an evil toy.